September 2024 marked the 17-year anniversary of mandatory tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS. During these 17 years, millions of vehicles were sold with TPMS. And if you multiply the number by 4, the number of tire pressure sensors that will need to be replaced in the future is huge. Customers are waking up to the benefits of TPMS. In 2010, only 46% of consumers could identify the TPMS light and what it indicated about their tires. That number has grown significantly, and most consumers realize the safety these sensors provide. A decade ago, replacement sensors were very expensive. The average sensor cost around $90 to $100. Most replacement sensors were direct fit and often only available at new car dealers. In the past 17 years, we have seen an explosion of replacement sensors and programs. New technologies like universal and programmable sensors have not only reduced the cost of sensors, they have also made it possible to cover a significant percentage of the population of TPMS-equipped vehicles with less inventory. TPMS is making a difference to the environment also. Way back in 2006, the U.S. Department of Energy estimated that 3.56 million gallons of gas are wasted each day because of incorrectly inflated tires. If you consider that more than half of the 272 million vehicles on the road have TPMS, the impact to the environment has to be substantial, even if it can't be directly measured. Even though that little light can be annoying, TPMS is keeping consumers safe. A 2010 study by the National Highway and Transportation Safety Administration, or NHTSA, found vehicles with tires underinflated by 25% or more to be 3 times more likely to be involved in an accident. These numbers drive home that TPMS is a vital safety system for consumers. Choosing not to service the TPMS can have a grave impact on the customer. Dancing around sensors does not work. In the early days of TPMS, it was common for a technician to leave the sensor in the rim when the tire was dismounted or mounted. The fear was that the sensor would be damaged or a service kit would not be available. The availability of TPMS sensors has increased dramatically, and the tools to program them has become so much simpler. 10 years ago, many people predicted that spare tires would go the way of tail fins and pop-up headlights. But run-flat tires and cell phones have not replaced the spare tires or the TPMS sensors. Their value to the consumer has been proven, and they are here to stay. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.